Welcome to the AI Digital Marketing course, of which you are going to be shown how you can use AI marketing, AI tools to grow a digital marketing career and also provide solutions to problems faced by businesses and brands. Also for your own personal branding and whatever challenge you are facing in your own space. So let's go. I'll be using a slide so I won't go overboard. The last conversation when Misal was speaking with I think it's not Malachi, the last person you spoke with, I can't remember his name precisely. And then he said he works smart and not hard. And
that's Martins.
Martins, yes. You asked about the role of AI in graphic design. So I'll just kick off from there. A lot of people have misconceptions about artificial intelligence because it seems when we use the word AI, it sounds too vague, and people are trying to put their hands on what does this mean? What do this thing mean? AI, and it's not making sense because of there's a way you can overflog a word or a concept that it loses its value, right? So in a simple term, I will say this is how I define artificial intelligence is an enabler. We could start jotting down from now. Artificial intelligence is an enabler. It enables, it enhances. It's an enabler, it is a catalyst, it is an enhancer. You get? It's an enhancer. It speeds up reaction. Definition of a catalyst in chemistry. It speeds up the rate of a reaction. That's the job of a catalyst. A catalyst speeds up the rate of a reaction. So, but first there must be in the lab, you must first mix the chemicals. You must have the formula to mix the chemicals. There must be a formula on ground for those chemicals to be mixed that will give a particular result. And then for you to speed up the reaction, you now add a catalyst. So see AI like that catalyst. For those who are not science students, let me give you an example. So you want to cook rice and beans. I want you to see AI as the salt that you add into the rice and beans to enhance the taste of the rice and beans. AI is not the rice and beans. Are you with me? If you're with me, please drop an emoji or just drop an emoji. Let me know you're following. Drop an emoji. Let me know you're following. Okay. I can see Ogoche is typing. So yeah, Diana is also typing. Nice. That means you're following. So it's an enabler. The rice and the beans is to solve a problem. Yeah. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Diana. Nice. I see you're following. Rice and beans is to solve the problem of hunger. Not salt. Salt is not solving the problem of hunger. You cannot eat salt and be okay. But if you eat rice and beans, cooked rice and beans, cooked rice and beans, right? You can eat rice and beans without salt. Yes, it's possible. But when you use salt as a seasoning, it enhances the taste of the food. So there is a problem, and the problem is hunger. And how do we solve that problem? By cooking rice and beans. Yes, we can cook rice and beans and give whoever is hungry to eat, but it will not taste sweet. Are you with me? It will not taste sweet, but when you add salt, it tastes sweeter. So I want you to see, like, let's use this. I'll use this concept, just this concept, to ease our understanding. So AI is an enabler. You cannot say you want to use AI without you having a tangible solution to a problem. Are you with me? So graphic design solves a problem. Publicity, visual communication. You want to communicate a program, you want to communicate an idea visually. You are compressing a lot of information in one flyer. You're compressing a lot of information in an interface of an app so that the user will be able to interact with that app in a simple way. There is a problem. of which you are using graphic design to solve. And that's why people are willing to pay you money in exchange for the solution, which is graphic design that you have. AI is coming to speed up and enhance your work. And for AI, you can use technology in the place of AI also. It's coming to enhance your work. It's coming as a lever. It's coming as a lever to enhance your work. So I want you to see artificial intelligence with these eyes, with this mindset, that it is coming as an enabler to speed up the solution that you are already providing. The creator is you. You are the creator. In the digital marketing space, who will come up with strategies? You will come up with strategies. What AI can do is to, okay, from the pool of data that other creators have put in the cloud, what we mean by cloud is, and when you aggregate, I don't want to use some technical terms, but information like Google, when you go on Google and you search how to boil water, how to boil egg, etc. A lot of other human beings have put up information on how to solve that problem. What Google does is to search the web and then pull out that information for you. I am saying all of this to help you understand and establish the fact that you are the solution provider. Artificial intelligence should not be the solution provider. You should be the solution provider. You are the solution provider. Artificial intelligence is just coming to enhance and catalyze, speed up the solution that you are providing. When you see artificial intelligence with this point of view, then you can enter any industry, provide solutions, and speed up the rate of reaction. That is the solution you are providing. If you understand, please just type in the chat box, I understand, or understand. I'm waiting before I hit the next slide. Okay, awesome. So let's quickly go to the next slide. Can you see my screen? I'm seeing my slides. It's not changing. Okay, yeah, it has changed. So who am I? Who is Opakuso? I'm a good marketer, a digital marketing specialist, a Meta certified digital marketing expert, a Google certified digital marketer, and a Meta social media marketing professional, and also an email marketing specialist, and then a Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer insight expert. So that is me in a nutshell. And so that let's just get to the excuse me. That is me in a nutshell. And I'm sharing this so that you understand that what I'm going to show you is industry proven, and I've over the years tested these strategies, seen what is happening in the industry, know what is working, and I'm going to show you and teach you how you can also position yourself as a digital marketing expert, position yourself as a solution provider to businesses using digital marketing as an enabler also to scale up their revenue and solve whatever challenges or problems that they are having in their business. Next slide. Move to the next slide. Yeah, next slide is a show of my accolades, the badges that I've gotten so far. My badge as a digital marketing associate with Meta, as an email marketing specialist with Kiss Marketer Academy, ad experts, also with Google as a digital marketing expert and e-commerce experts, and a host of them. I didn't want to bore us with a lot, but let us move on. What is the promise? What do I promise you? My promise is that before the end of this session, you will understand, before the end of the whole program and this session, you will understand the fundamentals, the foundations of digital marketing, and learn how to use AI tools to work smarter, create your first portfolio ready marketing project, even if you are a total beginner. What are the objectives of this module? So there are two modules. There's a module 1 and then there is module 2. This section is going to focus on module 1. Module 1 is focused majorly on theory. Like I said earlier on before we started, focus on the theory, and then module 2 we focus on practicals. So the learning objective, what is digital marketing? Can you see my screen, please? Can you see my screen? Is my screen moving? Is my screen moving? Let me know that in the chat. Or are you seeing our promise? Let me know in the chat what you can see, please. Let me know in the chat what you can see. Are you seeing our promise, or you are seeing module 1? Okay, you are still seeing our promise. Okay. 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 Okay, we can see it now. Module 1. Digital marketing foundations, understanding the game. Yeah, you are in a game. Digital marketing landscape is a game, and in the game you win by achieving the objectives that you set for yourself. So the learning objectives for this module is, what is digital marketing and why is it the most in-demand skill? I'm going to explain to you why digital marketing and why it's also the most in-demand skill. I'm going to also break down to you the 5 pillars of digital marketing, which is content, social media, SEO, email, and also paid ads. And then how AI is also reshaping marketing workflows and how to leverage it. And then the career path as an AI-powered digital marketer. To every concept, there are foundations, and if you can understand the foundations critically, if you can understand the foundations very well, then you are going to make progress, considerable progress in that industry. So for module 2, which is tomorrow, we're going to focus on content creation with AI, and then you are going to learn how to create fast like a pro. Learning objectives, how to ideate, write, design content with AI, how to use AI for your personal branding, how to use AI to create a digital product for your business, and then for other people, because what you learn here you can duplicate in any other business. And then also how to use AI to create a career path framework, be it freelancing, agency, or in-house. Freelancing, you want to offer your services to businesses and they pay you. Agency, meaning you want to start up your own business company. And then in-house, meaning, okay, so for Workzdemy, you're going to, because there's an opportunity for those who show themselves very serious in this class to intern at Workzdemy. So in-house, you can use what you learned from this program and develop solutions to the challenges that are being faced, or the goals and objectives that are set by Workzdemy. You can use that, and except and other bonuses that will come as I keep speaking. I've moved to the next slide. What is, are you following? Let me get you if you're following. Please, if you're following in the chat box, just write following. Follow me. In the chat box, write following. Write following. Let me know. Okay, good. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Diana. So what is digital marketing and why? What is digital marketing and why it's the most in-demand skill? So I pulled up some statistics. The global digital marketing industry is massive, valued at approximately 780 billion in 2023 and projected to exceed 1.3 to 1.5 trillion by early 2030s. Growing at over 11 to 13%. It is driven by mobile internet, social media adoption, and then video marketing. This is the official. This is data from Global Tech Stack. But let me bring it down to our own level. Why do you think digital marketing is the most in-demand skill and will still grow in the next coming years? Let me answer that question for you. Every day, people are creating solutions as products and as services, but they have a challenge: getting customers. There's no business in this world that will say they don't want more customers, except maybe they've overshoot beyond whom they can serve. But every business wants more customers. Every business, every brand wants more business. They want more money. They want more people in their bottom line, right? They want more money. They want more revenue. And how do you get more revenue? One of the channels is via marketing and sales. Via marketing. Because if people do not know your products, they can't buy from you. If they do not know your product, they cannot buy from you. That is where you come. You can use digital marketing in any industry as far as there are products and services that is to be offered. You could go online and check. In agriculture, digital marketing is being used. In the petroleum industry, digital marketing is being used. I have a mentor who she used digital marketing to sell crude oil. She sold crude oil online. So a client reached out to her that he had some barrels of oil of crude oil to sell. How can she help him get? Can she help him get a buyer? And my goodness, she used digital marketing tools to get a buyer for them in the shortest time possible. And I was amazed when I heard this story. You can use digital marketing in agriculture. If you go online and you see, especially on Facebook and Instagram, but most especially on Facebook, you see people marketing agri products, marketing to you. Okay, you can use this, buy this grain, store for so months, and then you get make profit after. When the price goes high, people are selling palm oil, they are selling groundnut oil, they are leveraging the digital space using marketing strategies to achieve their aim, to grow revenue and sell their products. As far as people keep producing products and services, digital marketing can never go out, can never run out. And as far as the internet is still running, because the word digital and then the word marketing, use that concept. The word digital, that means you are reaching people digitally. You are using digital channels to reach people. So digital and then marketing. That's what I also want to share with you today. So what is digital marketing and why is it the most important skill? Digital marketing, I just give a definition of what digital marketing is. Please, if you are following, type following in the comment section. 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 Okay. Okay, Diana. Okay. Cool. Yes. And yeah, cool. Thank you. Yes, you are following. Okay, thank you. Oh, good to see you, Mercy. Yes. Digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing and why it's the most important in-demand skill? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet. Remember what I said, digital and then marketing. You are using digital tools and then marketing. So digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Look at products and services. Pay attention to product and services. Pay attention to those words, products and services. I'll talk more on them as we keep. Now, the source for this definition is Wikipedia. The definition below is my own definition. I define digital marketing as the set of strategies and techniques used to create. Number one, create. Remember when I told you, excuse me, remember when I told you that you are the solution provider, you are the creator. Artificial intelligence is just an enabler, an enhancer, a catalyst to speed up what you have created, to speed up the solution that you have created. So you are the creator. Digital marketing is a set of strategies and techniques used to create, communicate. You can create, but if you do not communicate that you have created, if you do not communicate, if you are not able to communicate the solution that you have created to the target audience, that solution will be with you and will not reach whoever you want to, and you will not be compensated for the solution that you have provided. Used to create, communicate. After you have communicated that value, there's an exchange. And that's what we are doing right now. We're actually using digital marketing techniques and strategies. We're leveraging Telegram, and I'm communicating value to you. I'm communicating value to you. There's an exchange that is happening right now. As I'm speaking to you, I'm communicating credibility. As I'm speaking to you, I'm communicating authority. As I'm speaking to you, I'm selling the idea to you that, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. There's an exchange that is happening right now. You are exchanging your energy. You are exchanging your focus. You are exchanging your attention. There's a lot of things you have been doing right now. But as I'm speaking to you, we're exchanging energies. And at the end of the day, which is value amongst people, users in the digital space. We're using the space of Telegram right now. There are different types of digital spaces. There's Telegram, there's WhatsApp, there's Facebook, there's Instagram. Those are digital spaces, right? So any exchange that happens, any exchange of value, any creation, any communication, or any exchange of value that happens within a digital space is digital marketing. I hope you get. If you get what I just defined, type in the comment section, say, I get, I get, I get, I get, I get, I get, I get. Type it, say, I get, I get. Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. So let's move to the next slide. Yeah. The 5 key pillars of digital marketing. We have defined digital marketing, right? Now, what are the 5 pillars of digital marketing? Yeah, what are the 5 key pillars of digital marketing? I like to simplify and break down ideas to the simplest form possible so that you can understand. Every building that is standing on the foundations. And how strong the foundation is will determine how long that building will stay standing, and will also determine the kind of weight that building can carry. I want you to see digital marketing as a building, and then the foundations in which digital marketing is on are these 5 pillars. SEO, content marketing, social media marketing and management. I'm supposed to include that. Social media marketing and management, email marketing, and then paid ads. So we have content marketing, social media, SEO, email, and then paid ads. What I'm going to be doing now is explaining to you these pillars so that you understand them. So when tomorrow we come for the practicals, you are already set. You have an understanding of what the pillars of digital marketing is. So pillar 1, what is content marketing? What is content marketing? Content marketing is a strategic approach in which businesses create. You see the word create is appearing again. You see that word create is appearing again. In which businesses create and share. That is communicate. There's an exchange of valuable, relevant, and consistent content, such as articles, videos, podcasts, etc. to attract. Let me just break this down before I complete the statement. Content marketing is a strategic approach in which businesses create, number one, and share valuable, relevant, and consistent content such as articles, videos, podcasts. So, when you go on Facebook and you see a business page or an individual selling an idea to you, that person is using content. You see a post and you are reading the post, and at the end of the post, the person is now selling an idea to you. Marketing. You go on YouTube, content. Those are content. Anything that you create is a content. Anything that you create is a content. If you go down to the definition of the word content, you hear in English when we are speaking, we say, what is the content in the cup? That is what is inside the cup. What does that cup have? So imagine you are the cup, and when we ask what is the content in the cup, what we are asking is what is inside the person, what is inside that individual, what is inside the cup. Oh, it is water. Oh, it is wine that is inside the cup. Okay, what is inside that individual? We do not know what is inside the person. We do not know what is inside you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, I think my audio ceased for a bit. Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, type I hear you. Okay, good, awesome. So, what is content? What is content? You see, what is the content of the cup? It is wine. It is water that is inside the cup. So, you as an individual, what is your content? What is inside you? We do not know what is inside you except you share. And you can share via speaking, you can share via writing, or creating a product and a service. That is how we know what is the content inside you. So, the way I teach, I add some philosophy into it, because whatever you will produce whatever we produce is a direct replica of how we see life, right? Whatever creation you see is a direct replica of the thinking and thought process of the creator. So you are the creator. What is the content of you? The quality of the content that you have is a direct will reflect in the kind of solution that you provide in the product and also in the services. I know I'm defining content marketing, but I also see it as an avenue of transformation and personal improvement as I keep speaking. So please open up your own ears and hearts to hear. So let me finish the definition. Such as articles, videos, podcasts, etc. To attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Clearly defined audience. You cannot be creating content for making cars or engine oil and you are selling it to mama on the street, or you are sharing it with someone that's into forex trading. Except that person. Excuse me. Imagine you creating content on which example I use now. I want to pick an example that is good. Give me an example. Someone should drop an example. Creating content for. Give me an example of any industry. Just type it in. Give me an industry. Just type it in the comment section. One industry that you can think of. One industry you can think of. One industry. So you are creating content for. Yep, I'm waiting. Okay, household cleaning products. So Messi dropped. Imagine you're creating content for household cleaning products. Let's say like Hypo. You are creating content, or you want to shoot a video and you do not have the end user in mind, your content is not going to go far, right? So you create content having the end user in mind, and it has to be very clear that your target audience are defined. That your target audience are defined. So a clearly defined audience, building trust and brand loyalty to drive profitable actions rather than directly pitching products. You trust Wexdemy. Why? Because over the years, Wexdemy has consistently put out resourceful products and services, resourceful materials that have blessed you, that have helped you to improve in your life, that have helped your personal development, that has helped your business. Wexdemy has used content marketing to share valuable information with you. So when Wexdemy put out a flyer and say, we are having a training, you came in and you are willing to spend your time, you're willing to spend your money, willing to spend your energy, willing to spend your attention, because over years, Wexdemy have built trust by consistently putting out content that aligns with what you are looking for. Make no mistake, it was intentional. There was a lot of thought process that was put into it. Before a content goes out, there's a thinking process that goes behind, and if the content resonates with you, it's not a mistake, you are the target audience. When you are on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok and you see an ad, oh, I want to teach you how to do this, and you click it, it's because it resonated with you. You are here because the message we shared resonated with you, and there was a lot of intention that was put behind it. So that is content marketing in a nutshell. Let's go to the next slide. Types of content. Content types. We have blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, ebooks, white papers, social media posts, infographics, etc. Like I said, anything that you put out, anything that you put out as a human, as an individual, as a creator, it is content. Anything. The word you are speaking is content. And that content reveals also the state of your heart, right? Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Out of the contents that we hear, out of the contents of your heart, your mouth. You can use your mouth as announcement. Any platform that gives you the ability and privilege to show forth your giftings, you can use it as your mouth. So out of the abundance of your heart, the content that is out of the content that is in your heart, the platforms we speak. The digital, Facebook is a mouth, Instagram is a mouth, TikTok is a mouth, email is a mouth. So out of the content in your heart, those platforms we speak. So you hear people saying, oh, they made a comment and then they later come and they're saying blah 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 blah, etc. They didn't make it, I'm sorry, etc. etc. They go and they are trolling people. What that person is showing you is that is the content of his character. You've had story, you might have people who went to embassy and their visas were rejected because the visa officer went through their social media post and discovered that, oh, this person doesn't align with our values. Out of the content of that person's heart, he used the mouth of Facebook, used the mouth of Instagram, used the mouth of Twitter to speak, and you cannot deny it because it came out of your heart. And what you say is who you are, right? What you say is who you are. Like I said, some of my definitions come with some philosophical backings because it is who you are that reflects in the solutions that you create. Do you understand so far? Let me know if you understand so far. If you understand so far, say I understand. Just type I understand. I understand. Okay. 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 Good, 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 good. Good, good. I'm glad that you understand it. And I'm glad that you understand it. Are you enjoying the class also? If you're enjoying the class, type I enjoy. I'm enjoying the class. Or just type enjoy. Enjoy. Just put enjoy in the comments. Just put enjoy in the comments. Just put enjoy in the comments. Beautiful. 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 So let's move. Let's begin to define. We've defined content marketing. Now, the next is SEO. What is SEO? And what is SEM? What is SEO and what is SEM? Hey, I put a long definition. Don't mind this thing. I just wanted to make sure that I have book definition. I have book definition for you, but I'm still going to break it down for you. I'll give you concept you understand. SEO means search engine optimization and SEM means search engine marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engines like Google, Bing, YouTube to attract more organic unpaid traffic by making content more relevant and valuable to users and search engine crawlers. That is the book definition. Let me break it down for you in 5-year-old English. Search engine optimization is a process whereby every content that you are putting out, you are making sure that it aligns with the needs of the end user. If you are developing a content on household cleaning products, you want to write an article on how to use hypo to clean, how to use hypo to clean your toilet. You are going to pay attention. SEO is you paying attention to the kind of keywords that household are using to search on the web. So you can use keywords like cleaning, like toilet, that is related to anything that is related to solution that you are providing. Can you see my screen? That's the problem. Okay. Can you see my screen? I think it went over. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Please, if you can see my screen, let me know in the comments. Can you see my screen? Please, if you can see my screen, let me know. I think my network. Okay, my network glitched. Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you, Messi. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Kuku. Thank you for your quick responses. It's helping me here. Thank you. Yeah. So, yeah, and also Ochoge. Pardon me if I didn't pronounce it well. Martins. Thank you, Martins. Excuse me. And also Samson Musa. Thank you. Your prompt responses is really, helping me here. So, like I said, every keyword that is attached to the solution that you are providing. So, toilets for household cleaning items, using hypo as an example. Toilet is a keyword. What can be a keyword is another keyword. Type in this. Give me keywords in the comment section. What do you think someone that will be searching for a toilet cleaning product will use? I know toilet is one. Yeah, water closet might be another one. Drop it on the comment section. Feel free to drop on the comment section. Toilet is one. I know water closet. Okay, yeah, bleach. Yeah, bleach. Yeah, bleach. Bleach is another. Yeah, Kuku said bleach. Water closet. Oh, yeah. Stains can be broad. Stain is quite broad. You can use, yeah, you can also use stains, and then you can also do toilet stains. You can add the word toilet stains, how to clean toilet stains, how to do this, how to do that, etc. So search engine optimization is you optimizing your content, right? So that when users come on Google search to type how to clean toilet, because of how you have done the SEO of your content, be it video, be it blog, whatever content it might be, because of how you have optimized it, your website will show up as number one, or on the first page, of your content will show on the first page of that search. That is search engine optimization. Whenever you go on Google and you type, how to wear a shoe, how to tie a belt, how to knot a tie. Okay, hygiene is also, thank you. How to knot a tie. You will see when you click enter, the first page, you will see different articles on different websites will pop up. In fact, search engine has developed to the point that even on Facebook, if someone drops a content that is relevant to what you are searching for, it will reflect on the first page. So understanding search engine optimization is you understanding how you can develop contents and how you can develop content for them to appear on the first page of search results. That is search engine optimization. If you understand, type understand in the chat. Type understand. Awesome. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Mercy. So what is search SEM? Thank you, Diana. So what is SEM, or search engine marketing? It is a digital strategy to boost website visibility on search engines like Google, primarily through paid ads, PPC, but also encompassing SEO. It involves bidding on keywords to appear in sponsored search results for users actively searching for products or services, driving immediate traffic and sales. So search engine marketing is these keywords that we have listed, right? Imagine me typing how to clean toilet or best toilet cleaning product, and you have written a content through content marketing. You have written a content and you have put in these keywords. When a user searches on Google and say how to clean toilet or best toilet cleaning products, on the first page, search engine marketing is you understanding how competitive a keyword is. So on the word hygiene, people can be competing on various digital marketers can be competing for that keyword, and Google will say, okay, well, based on this competition that is happening, because a lot of people are using this keyword, it will cost you $5 to use this keyword. If anyone clicks on your content because of this keyword, it's going to cost you $5. That is when you are spending money to get people to your content. So SEO is the unpaid, when you're not spending money to actively get people to your content, while SEM is when you are spending money to get people to your content. You could check when you check Google, when you search something in Google, when you search for, you can even try that now if you can, best toilet cleaning products. Some content might pop up that you will see by the top left side. You will see ad. That's to you see a word. You see ad. Ad will be written at the top left corner. I wish I was showing this on my this stuff has gone again. Can you see my screen? This stuff has gone again. Please, can you see my screen? I have to. Can't see my screen. I have to reshare again. Okay. Okay. I think I'm back. Can you see my screen now? Please, if you can see my screen, let me know. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Diana. Okay. So, in a nutshell, SEO is when you are not spending money to optimize your content, while SEM is when you are actively spending money to optimize your content and make sure your content appears on the top for search result page. I've defined this already. So the next pillar is social media marketing. Like I said, I was supposed to make the social media marketing / management. But social media management and social media marketing is more of the, since we are talking on marketing, I just want to focus on social media marketing. This the aspect also of management. But I'm focusing on social media marketing because of our topic and arm of focus. So what is social media marketing? Yeah, what is social media marketing? Social media marketing is using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. It's Twitter, I'm sorry, X, not Twitter, to build your brand, connect with audiences, drive website traffic, generate leads, and boost sales by creating and sharing valuable contents, running ads, and engaging directly with customers. Like I said, this is textbook definition. Let me give you the 5-year-old definition. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is simply using social media to market products and services. Period. Simply using social media to market products and services. If you have ever used your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, or whatever social media platform you have to sell a product or service, I beg your pardon, a product or service, or an idea, or invite people to a church program, or a party, or an event, you just engage in social media marketing. A lot of us do this every day on your WhatsApp status. You are engaged in social media marketing. It's simply using social media to market product and services. That's it. Very simple. Nothing complex. Right? Nothing complex. It's simply using social media to market product and services. Now, understanding when you now when you go in depth to, okay, how do I now do social media marketing? When you now go deep to understanding how to use WhatsApp, how to use Facebook, how to use Instagram to market a product and a service, now you are now building expertise in one of the pillars. But this we will talk more about later. Please, if you understand, do you understand? If you understand so far, type understand in the comment section. Type understand in the comment section. Type understand. Awesome. And if you're enjoying the class so far, please type enjoy. Type enjoy. Type enjoy. Type enjoy. Oh, beautiful. Give me a moment. I want to take water. Let me hydrate Give me a moment, give me 2 minutes. I'll come back by 9:58. I just want to give us time. Let me hydrate, take water, and then also give us time to ruminate on what we have learned so far. I'll be back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Back from short break. It's your facilitator, Hope Akuso, and I hope we're all doing well and we're ready for the next level. If you are ready, type ready in the comments. Type ready in the comments. Awesome. Okay. I'm trying to share my screen again, but I'm not seeing the screen pop up. Okay. Give me a moment. Why is this screen not coming up? Why is this screen not coming up? Okay. If you can see my screen, let me know. If you can see my screen, let me know. Say yes. Just type yes in the comment. Just type yes in the comment. Type yes in the comment. If you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type yes in the comment. If you can see my screen, type yes in the comments. I'm not getting a yes. Does this mean you can't see my screen? Okay, you can't see my screen. Okay. All right. Let me. Okay. Okay, you can't see my screen. Let me share. Let me share. Okay, you can see it now. Okay. Okay, it's showing now. Awesome. So, awesome. So let's move to the next. What the next pillar? Email marketing. The next pillar is email marketing. We've talked about content marketing. We've talked about SEO and SEM. We've also talked about yeah. So excuse me, social media marketing. Yes, we talk about SEO, SEM, we talk about content marketing, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and then this is now email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital strategy using emails to build customer relationships, promote products and services, nurture leads, and drive sales by sending personalized, valued content, newsletters, offers, updates to people who've opted in to receive messages, focusing on building loyalty and conversions through direct consent-based communication. If you have ever received any message from anybody on your email selling a product or a service to you, or an idea also to you, that is email marketing. Or also to keep in touch. I'm subscribed to a lot of people's emails, email address, and email newsletters, and they send me messages regularly. They are using that to maintain the relationship I have with them, the business relationship I have with them, so that tomorrow, if they want my money, and also I want the product and services they offer, they can quickly reach me, and because they have used content marketing through email marketing to reach me consistently. One thing you also notice is these pillars are intertwined. They complement one another. Your ability to understand how each pillar complements them, how each pillar complements themselves to provide solutions to the challenges, to provide solutions, I beg your pardon, to provide solutions is what makes you a unique digital marketer. So what I've just defined what email marketing is. I don't think I've given you the 5-year-old definition. Let me give you the 5-year-old definition. The 5-year-old definition of email marketing is using email to market product and services, to communicate product and services, to communicate the value that you have of product and services to the target audience that are in need of them. Let me quickly go to the next slide. I see that the time is flying. Time is flying. Oh, we discussed social media marketing. We've discussed social media marketing already. Yeah, the last one. What is paid ads? What is paid ads? Paid ads is also a pillar. Paid ads is also a pillar. So what is paid ads? Paid ads are digital marketing strategy where businesses pay to display promotional content on platforms like search engines, social media, and websites to immediately reach a target audience. So the platforms that are used for content marketing have the options where you can spend money to reach your target audience using their platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, they all have their ads arm. That's where you can spend money to reach your target audience that are on that platform. Now, your ability to use the ads tool in each social media platform makes you an expert in paid ads for that platform. There are paid ad experts in Facebook and Instagram. They are paid ad experts in LinkedIn. They are paid ad experts in various platforms. You get, and then they are paid ad experts that can do all. They can do all, but they have like their strengths. So for this is like I always give a simplified definition of this concept. Paid ads is you giving this platform money and saying, hey, Facebook will take 100,000 and show my ads to so number of people on your platform. And people will now collect the money and show your ads. Facebook collect money, Instagram collect your money, Twitter collect your money, and then show your ads. So your ability to communicate with the Facebook platform to get your ads to people who need them makes you a paid ads expert. So the next phase is, what is artificial intelligence? I know I've given an overview of what artificial intelligence is So we're moving to the next level, ladies and gentlemen. If you're understanding, type I understand, I understand, I understand. Type I understand, I understand, I understand. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's only Diana that say I understand. Where is Messi? Where is Martins? Where is Kuku? Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are they? Okay, yeah, Martins is there. Where are my people? Yes, 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 yes. Messi is also typing. Good, 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 good. Where is Kuku? She has not typed in a while. I'm not seeing a message in a while. So let me go. Let's quickly finish this. What is artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of computer systems to perform tasks requiring human intelligence like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and perception by using algorithms to analyze data and make decisions or predictions, improving over time without explicitly programming for every rule. Like I said, this is the textbook definition. In simple terms, in simplified terms, what is artificial intelligence? Intelligence artificial, artificial intelligence, man-made intelligence. Your ability to educate a program to solve a problem or develop a solution because of its ability, because of that program's ability to recognize patterns and recognize patterns over time. It's able to develop its own intelligence because it can add multiple patterns and create a solution. Multiple patterns. A lot of multiple patterns. It can recognize multiple patterns. You design a computer system that can recognize multiple patterns. A simple example is on your phone. When you are typing, there's a way your phone understands how you type, that before you finish typing a word, it will just auto suggest. It will auto suggest. It knows that whenever you say I am well, you usually say I am well, I am good, I am great. So your WhatsApp, when you're trying to reply, how are you? You're just saying I am, auto suggest just pops. That's artificial intelligence because it has studied a pattern. It has studied the pattern of how you respond. And it has built intelligence on your persona. And so it can help you to even answer the person because of the kind of patterns that you have developed over time. Right? And our goal right now is to channel this to digital marketing. So, like I said, today we're more focused on the concept. So I'm defining this concept. So tomorrow we are going to integrate all of these concepts together. How is artificial intelligence reshaping market workflows? AI is reshaping marketing by automating repetitive tasks, enhances predictive analytics, enabling hyper-personalization at scale, and generating content instantly. Marketers leverage AI to streamline workflows, optimize spend, analyze customer data, and improve campaign efficiency in real time. Like I just earlier, like I defined, the ability of those machines, those programs, to recognize patterns. So every day, if that machine recognizes that this is a particular pattern in which you create your content, you can educate it to become your assistant. It knows that this is how Messi types. This is how Martins types. This is how Enoch types. This is how Enoch types. This is how Enoch speaks. And so whenever someone asks a question, it can reply based on the information that it has gotten on your behavior over time. Our goal is now, how can we use this in digital marketing for repetitive tasks and also to help us pull information that we have used over time whenever we are not in an optimized state of mind to come up with ideas and solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the wrap of today's class. Do you understand? If you understand, please type I understand. If you enjoy the class, also type I enjoy. I understand, 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 I enjoy. Type I understand, I enjoy it. I understand. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So, like in every good class, there's always an assignment. So I've given us assignments that will come with to class tomorrow. I'm giving us assignments will come to class with tomorrow. So what's your assignment? You can screenshot your assignment too. I'm going to ask tomorrow. And for the practicals that we're going to do, we are going to use this, whichever business that you come up with, we're going to use it for the practicals. So the practicals is choose a small business, startup, NGO in your area. It can be real or it can be hypothetical. I will prefer real businesses so that by this after the class you can take that product to the company or whoever business and say, I've discovered this challenge in your business and I've developed a solution to this challenge, and you guys can negotiate further. And what is the deliverables? What do I want you to bring is okay. You choose the business, and then you are going to come with. We are going to. I also want you to now develop 5 bullet points on how digital marketing can help them grow, either in awareness or in sales, in leads or in community. We're going to use this business as your capstone project. I'll be used to grade and see that okay, you have learned from this program, and yes, you can deploy effectively to the real world. So this is your assignment. Please screenshot and go and do your assignment. Tomorrow I'm going to mark. I'm going to mark anybody that not do his assignments. Anybody, don't worry. In this class, A is not for God. You can get A. You can get A. You can get E. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. You can shut it so that you get to work. Yes, we've come to the end of today's session. If you have any questions, do well to ask. I think do well to ask. If you have a question, just type question in the chat so that I think you can unmute and then you can ask and then I will answer. Just type question. Just type question. Just type question. If you have a question, type question in the chat. Thank you, Mercy. Thank you, Mercy. God bless you too. If you have a question, just type question in the chat so that we can have a list of everyone I want to ask. Then you can unmute your mics and ask your question and I will answer. If you have a question, please type question. Let's do that 1 minute for that. Okay, it seems we don't have a question. Nobody has any question. That means we understand. That means we do understand everything that has been taught today. One more time, type understand. Type understand. If you understand and you don't have any question, let me be sure. 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 Feel free to ask questions. Please feel free to ask questions. First, questions shows that you are critically thinking about what is being taught. Questions shows that you are not just absorbing what I'm saying, but you are trying to see how it can practically be used in businesses today. I want to believe that you understand. Okay, you've typed in the comment section that you understand. So I want to believe that you understand. Thank you very much for your time. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll get the ball running ASAP because we are not going to have any technical glitch. We'll get the ball running ASAP. Thank you very much. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Enoch. Thank you, Messi. Thank you, Martins. Thank you, Kuku, Create Christopher. Thank you for your time. Thank you for Gunji. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. Thank you. I want to call everybody. Thank you. Okay, Matthias, you joined in late, but there's recording. Good for you. There's recording. Thank you very much for your time. Mr. Misal, if you're there, I hand over the mic to you.
All right. Thank you so much. Um, it's. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, loud
Can you
and
hear
clear.
me? All right.
Loud and clear.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Hope. It's good to have you here, like I said. And the introductory class is amazing. It's amazing. I love your energy. I love how you go so much to simplify all these concepts.